First, go ahead and let's turn on Quick Share on the sending tablet. So let's take our finger here from the top to reveal the quick panel options here, and then we just pull down once again to reveal the Quick Share icon. So it's this one right here. So first, let's turn this on. Let's click it. And now we have the device here ready to send files. Now let's go ahead on the other tablet here and let's do the same thing. So again, we take our finger from the top, pull down here, and then we pull down once again. This one has Quick Share as well, so let's click on Quick Share. And now both of them are in the ready state. So first, on the sending tablet, we click on the tab here that says Send. And now let's go ahead and select the file that we want to send by clicking on Select Files. Let's go with this one right here. Then click on Done. Now we have found the Lenovo tablet here. So this one says Lenovo Idea tab. And this is how it is on the receiving side. So let's go ahead and click on that. Before I do it, if that doesn't work, you do have the option to set up a QR code. So you only do that if you don't see the receiving tablet on the other side, you click on QR code and then go into the camera on the receiving side, do a scan, and it should link together. But that's only if you don't see them show up like this. So let's go ahead, click on the Lenovo Idea tab, and it looks like it's about to receive the file here. Let's go ahead and accept. That is the pin. And then you just give it a few seconds here to send the file over. And now we would have gotten the file here from the previous tablet. So we sent from the Samsung tablet to the Lenovo tablet here, or just any device that you have using Quick Share. That's basically how it works. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here's the file.